Got him? Good. Let me get this now. Well, I got one now. Oh, he come off.
Well, that's hard to focus with all that going on around you, ain't it?
But yeah.
Stay still. Nice little dude, look at him. Chunky.
Yeah. Little squirt. Woo! A wild large head. Man. Oh, boy, that's fun when you catch them back to back like that. You know it. Come here, little buddy. Hold on. There we go. Pretty and thick. Little bitty squirt.
Colton Posey Fishing Weather Log.
There he is. Come on. Ooh, pull. Got some on her. Spot this one. Whew. Feisty spot. Pretty, man, pretty. So talking about establishing patterns, there's a couple of things you really need to ask anytime you're establishing a pattern. But the first pattern you really need to ask about is the bait pattern. So what kind of bait pattern are these fish going to be on? Are they going to be on a shad pattern? Are they going to be on a crawfish pattern? Or are they going to be on a brim pattern? Or it could be all three. But once you establish a bait pattern by swapping up your lures, swapping up your presentations, then you can establish a cover pattern. And what do I mean by cover pattern? Well, we're going to talk about that here in just a few minutes.